Good morning everyone. I am Alok Shukla once again. I am going to teach you class 7th grammar. In previous video I have discussed chapter uh, I have 21 relative pronouns and relative clauses. Exercise A and B has been discussed and two questions 1 and 2 from exercise C has been discussed. Now I shall start from exercise 3 of exercise C and question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. We should be grateful to. We we should be we should be grateful to we should be grateful to those scientists who have given us gadgets to make our life easy. Here is the sentence and you have to tell the relative clause and also you will tell this is defining a non-defining relative clause. So this is the question. We should be grateful to those scientists. This part who have given us gadget to make our life easy. This part is relative clause. And is this we should be grateful to those scientists who have given us gadget to give our life easy. This is non-defining. Relative clause. This part is relative clause and non-defining END. Okay. Next question is smartphones come with functions. Smartphones come with functions that one finds on one's computer. That finds on one's computer. We should be grateful to those scientists. Okay? We should be smartphones come with function that one finds on one's computer. This part is the relative clause and we should be smartphone come with function that one finds on one's computer and non-defining END. This is the non-defining relative clause. Question number 5 is here. You will see question number 5. Question number 5 is a webcam which you find on all latest laptops. A webcam which you find on all latest laptops. task to allows you video calling to allows you a webcam which you find on all the latest laptop. This part is the relative clause and this is defining. This is relative clause. He is just close to the subject. This clause, the defining clause, often comes just close to the subject, and this clause is just close to subject. So this is the defining clause, and you will write relative clause defining D. And question number 6. Now we will discuss the question number 6. Skippy is a computer software. Skippy is a computer software. Skippy is a computer software that allows video and voice calls. That allows videos and voice calls. Okay? Here you will say Skippy is a computer software. Skippy is a computer software that allows. This is defining video, and this sentence is defining is antecedents. It's antecedents. So this clause will be relative clause. This clause will be relative clause, and relative clause defining relative clause. Next is GPS, which is a navigating software. GPS. Next question is which is a navigating software has rendered the use of physical maps to be useless. Physical maps to be useless. Physical maps to be useless. GPS, which is a navigating software. This part is the relative clause, and this is defining its antecedent. So this will be the defining relative clause. Relative clause, and defining relative clause. 8. This is the 8. A touch screen tablet is a small computer which is easy to carry. A touch screen tablet is a small computer. A touch screen tablet. A touch screen tablet is a small computer. A touch screen tablet is a small computer which is easy to carry. A touch screen tablet is a small computer, tablet, computer which is easy to carry. This part is relative clause, defining relative clause. Relative clause, defining relative clause. Here you will see that which is easy to carry. This is defining its antecedent. This are a touch screen tablet is a smart computer. Tablet defining its previous sentence, so it will be the defining clause. Now you will see a smart TV which combines question number 9. Question number a smart TV which combines the features of a TV and the one-stop entertainment. One-stop entertainment. A smart TV which combines the features of a TV and the internet offers one-stop entertainment, which combines the features of a TV and the internet offers, which combines the feature of the TV which combines the features of the TV, okay, TV and the internet. This part will be relative clause. The smart TV, relative clause and defining relative clause. 10. Exercise 10. 10 is Bluetooth is a technology. Bluetooth is a technology that allows wireless connection with other gadgets like TV and phones. Bluetooth technology come here that allows wireless connection with other gadgets, like TV and phones. That allows wireless connection with other gadgets. Bluetooth, that is a technology. Okay, this is non-defining. And relative clause. Okay. Now you will see chapter exercise D. Join the sentences by using non-defining relative clause. Join the sentences by using Join the sentence. They. Join the sentence. Join the sentence by using defining relative clauses. By non-defining relative clauses. First, a robot can make jobs easier for humans. It is a gift of technology. It is a gift of technology. Here you have to join these two sentences with the help of relative clause, non-defining relative clause. You will mind how you will join, and we join this in the next episode. But this is your homework. Your homework is to complete. Your homework is exercise D. This will be done by you from home. Okay? In next episode, we will solve this and we will further study the conditional sentences. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.